Hey, so check it out. I finally finished my candy cane log train this evening. This is the one I put a 1666 motor with a smoke unit in it. It also has two 19-volt green LEDs and the marker lights and a 19-volt LED in the headlight. It's got a sound of power unit in the tender as well as extra handrails that I added. And I also put a reversing light in it, and you can see how to do that in one of my earlier videos. It's not hard to do. I've got 5 log cars behind it. I made the logs myself. I cut them from 1/2-inch dowels, painted them white, and then I wrapped them with some sparkle tape. I found a Hobby Lobby and then sealed them with Mod Podge. The engine also I made into a 242, and then I also added a work caboose. It came with a bunch of cars that I got, and this one had been worked on before, so it was a good one for custom. It was already red. And it was Santa Fe, so I used a Mr. Clean Magic eraser pad to take the Santa Fe lettering off, and then I made some decals. So we'll take it for a spin, and I'll stop it, and so you can check out the new work caboose. There's the work caboose, and I'll push some of these logs on that I got a little reckless with. And here we go. So it's a really good smoke unit in it. And we'll pick the camera up this time and follow the train around a little bit. This will check out the reversing light in the tender. And we'll set the camera back down. Alright, it runs great. I really like the way it looks. I'm really happy with it. It's a nice little Christmas train. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord, and Merry Christmas.